Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And this is a really great time to consider this business opportunity, Nexus Rewards, okay? And we say that this is where dreams become a reality. And I want to plug you into this video. It's like less than 2 minutes, okay? And you're going to hear about enhancements and updates. And, you know, it's always a great time to get started with Nexus Rewards, but this is a greater time to get started because of the enhancements that's going on. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes, and we're going to plug you right into this video, and let's hear what's going on with this incredible opportunity. Okay.
Hey guys, Art Phillips here. I wanted to shoot a quick video and let you know about an incredible special that we're going on right now with Nexus Rewards. As you know, we have a 3x10 matrix that can pay over $22,000 a month in recurring residual income. Okay? We're doing something with this matrix. We're actually doing a rebuild. We're going to rebuild the matrix according to enroll date, when people enroll. Now, the good news for you is that the date that you became a free member, that's your enroll date. That's the date that we count as you enrolling. So what that means, if you upgrade now, before we do the matrix rebuild, you're going to go higher than anyone joining yesterday, today, whenever. Okay? You can see your enroll date when you log into your account. You'll see it right in the upper hand corner. So you literally could be getting into this matrix positioned above hundreds, possibly even thousands of paying members that enrolled after you. So this is a one-time shot for you to get positioned at the top of a matrix that has potential to pay over $22,000 a month. And as a bonus, we're going to throw in our newest product, Nexus VIP Travel. Amazing product. Learn all about it inside the members area. Log in and upgrade now. It could be the best financial decision you've ever made.
Okay, look, excuse me. Here's what I want to talk about real quick. If you are new to the idea of Nexus Rewards, then, you know, if you come in as a premium member, okay, a premium member, then you're going to become a member, a free member of the travel club. Okay, now get this. It's only $40 one time out of pocket, okay? And it's $10 a month for the entire program. Folks, this is absolutely powerful. And with the rebuild, you're just going to take advantage of a lot of things that are going to be happening in this, or should I say with this opportunity, okay? And one of those things is you becoming a premium member, should you decide to do that. One time, $40 out of pocket. And guess what? You'll be able to save tons of money and make money with Nexus Rewards. But so again, you'll become a free member when you become a premium member with Nexus Rewards for $40 one time out of pocket and $10 a month. Then you'll be able to take advantage of becoming a free member of the VIP Travel Club program. Folks, this is powerful. This is exciting. It's now your time to get involved with Nexus Rewards. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.